All right, I forgot to do something that I wanted to do in the main tutorial video. I intended to include some of the guided notes. So, second video will be pasted in the assignment. Here we go. So, we've got the glossary. The glossary is also found under the class resources drive, but here it is. Glossary, term, tissue, a mass of cells that perform a specific function in the body. Tissue. Let me zoom out just a smidge. Whoops. Organ, a structure made up of tissues that perform a specialized function for the body. Nervous tissue, tissue that sends signals to and from the brain so a body can carry out processes. Digestive system, the system that breaks down food into smaller components and absorbs them into the body. Immune system, the system that protects the body from foreign substances and infectious diseases. System, a group of related parts that work together to perform a task or complete a process. Skeletal system, the system made up of bones and muscles that support the body and allow it to move. Respiratory system, the system that takes in oxygen from the air and releases carbon dioxide. Circulatory system, the system that pumps blood through the body. Nervous system, a system of nerves that transmit messages to and from the brain and spinal cord. Integumentary system. Say that 5 times fast. That's the system made up of skin, hair, and nails that protects internal structures from damage. Objective. In this lesson, you will use evidence to argue that the body is made up of tissues, organs, and systems. Tissues. A tissue is a group of organized cells that perform a specific function. Tissues are divided into 4 main types. Tissue types. Muscle tissue makes the heart pump blood and enables people to move it. Skeletal. Attached to bones and allow people to move their limbs. They perform voluntary movements. Smooth muscle tissue lines the body's internal hollow organs. They are involuntary muscles and work automatically. Cardiac muscle tissue, an involuntary muscle, helps the heart pump blood through the body. The heart is the only organ that has cardiac tissues. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue acts like a messenger service for the body. It branches off from the brain and spinal cord. It is responsible for receiving, processing, and responding to internal and external stimuli. Epithelial tissue forms a protective inner and outer lining for organs and blood vessels. Epithelial tissue, and blood vessels, skin, the body's outermost protective layer, is made up of epithelial tissue. That's how they get DNA from sometimes. 3 basic shapes. Squamous, epithelial cells are flat. Cuboidal, epithelial cells are cubic in shape. Columnar, epithelial cells are taller than they are wide, like a column. Connective tissue binds other tissues in the body, holds the body's structure in place. Bones incorporates a calcium compound, allows the body to bear its weight and move. Fat insulates the body by forming a protective layer. Cartilage connects joints. Tendons attach muscles to bones. Ligaments attach bones to other bones. Organs. An organ consists of a group of different tissues that work together to perform a specific function. Stomach. Strong acids in the stomach break down the food into smaller particles. Lungs allow us to breathe in air, helps oxygen enter the red blood cells, and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Bones provide structure and support to the body. Body systems. A group of organs that works together to perform the same function is an organ system. If a body part fails, it affects the entire body. Digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food molecules that the body uses to obtain essential nutrients and energy. Muscle and skeletal systems. The human skeleton contains 206 bones. The skeleton supports the body and protects internal organs. Muscles allow movement and provide strength. The musculoskeletal system also includes tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the lungs, airways, and muscles that help us breathe. The respiratory system takes in oxygen and expels carbon dioxide. The lungs connect to the heart through blood vessels. The circulatory system. The heart, arteries, veins, blood vessels, and blood make up the circulatory system. Arteries carry the blood away from the heart. The veins carry blood toward the heart. Excretory system. The excretory system gets rid of waste through bodily fluids. If you needed dialysis, those bodily fluids would be removed, the waste in those bodily fluids would be removed through dialysis. Nervous system. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves make up the nervous system. The nervous system controls the body's voluntary and involuntary processes. Integumentary system. That system consists of skin, hair, nails, and certain glands. The system is the barrier between the body and the environment. Immune system. The immune system defends the body against infection and disease. The immune system includes the spleen, which produces some immune cells. Lymph nodes are also part of the immune system. Summary. What is one way that different organs work together to maintain a person's overall health? On slide 26, it says, for example, if a person sprains an ankle, that person can't walk properly. This problem occurs because the muscular and skeletal system work together to allow people to walk. When one part of the system suffers an injury, the rest of that system and other body systems suffer. All right, there's your guided notes. I hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful time and good luck on the mastery test.